Hey y'all, we back. This is about to be lunch. I am so sorry. Excuse my manners. Hello, Millennial Mamas. Hey, Millie Mamas. How y'all doing, boo? Okay. Anyway, let's get into it, okay? We're about to make this smoked salmon and cucumber salad. Whatever, viral Logan's salad. I don't know what you want to call it. Anyway, I found the recipe on TikTok last year and I've been loving it. I love to get smoked salmon and cucumbers, and like they be talking, when you got to use a whole cucumber. A salad, a regular lettuce salad just don't be hitting sometimes, okay? And it takes forever to use a whole damn cucumber doing that. But anyway, I had half of an English cucumber and a whole regular cucumber. I took some of the skin off of the regular cucumber just because sometimes the skin on the regular cucumbers can get kind of bitter and chewy, and I just really didn't want that. Okay, so this is a cucumber and a half. All right. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I know this isn't the cream cheese that's normally in the recipe, but I'm using what I have on hand, okay? Because I don't have all them fancy ingredients, whipped chive cream cheese. I would only have one use for that cream cheese, and that would be for this recipe. And we not wasting food around here, okay? So get you 2 tablespoons of regular cream cheese, because I normally always have regular cream cheese at the house, a block, because I use it to cook with sometimes. A pound cake never goes to waste in my house. But 2 tablespoons of that, a whole lemon, squeeze a whole lemon in there, and then you're going to squeeze a whole avocado in there. You don't need to chop up the avocado, just squeeze it from the skin directly in there, okay? Take out any bad stuff that you don't want, as you see me doing, okay? Because sometimes, well, the avocado was on its last leg, okay? But we was going to use it. Like I said, we not wasting food. What I do with mine is I like to make the quote-unquote sauce first and then mix it in. I don't put it in the container and shake it all up. I've done that a couple times before, and I just didn't like how it turned out, okay? So make the mixture first, okay? I added some Creole seasoning because I like a little spice to it. Bless you. Add a little Creole seasoning because I like a little spice to it, okay? And then you're going to add some dill. I don't ever have fresh dill in my house until I start making ranch dressing from scratch, which we'll get to that soon, maybe more so in the summertime when we go use it more with vegetables and stuff. I don't ever have that in the house. So I always have this dill in the jar right there. Works perfectly fine, okay? Like I said, we use it when we got in the house. I'm not going to the store to buy no extra motherfucking ingredients. Excuse my language. But anyway, mix all that up, add you some salt and some pepper in there, okay? Because we're making the juice first, okay? The sauce first, okay? I'm tired. I'm so sorry. But mix all of that up, okay? Because we're making that first. Because I don't like to shake mine up with the container. I honestly find it a little bit weird. It's just, I don't know. Don't be lazy. Just make the mixture first and then mix it in there, okay? Get you some salmon. This salmon has dill on the outside of it. Some of it does. So I was like, oh, that's a plus. Well, add some more dill in here. So that worked. Cut it up, and then, like I said, I mix mine up in a bowl. I don't do the whole shaky shake thing. I just mix it up in a bowl. It seems to be more evenly distributed when I do it like that, and I like mine evenly distributed. Because if I get 3 or 4 cucumbers all in a bunch that ain't got nothing on it, I'm gonna be real pissed. Okay, mix that all up, and bam! Look at that, lunch. You welcome.